My name is Merad Karamblou. I'm a product manager here at Kolena. And in this video, I wanted to showcase the ability of the platform to be able to extract properties from images that you can use to better understand your data as well as your model performance. For this example, I'm using a semantic segmentation problem using Cocoa Stuff dataset. And as you can see here, we have two model results uploaded and we have some data. If I navigate to Studio, you'll see the data that is available and the two models of semantic segmentation masks that we have available for this data set. Now I can navigate to Enhance Data and start an LLM prompt extraction to use some of the available LLM options to learn more or extract some properties from the image. And for this use case, I'm going to use GPT-4o Mini. And my question is, how many vehicles are in this image? Include boats and boats, planes and trains, and that's as part of the vehicle count. Only respond with a number. And the image here would be my data point locator. I can try this out, and the intention here is that we're going to run this extraction on 20 or so data points. And I want to make sure the responses are correct. We get numbers. We have, it seems like there's boats that are being counted. There's vehicles here. Okay, this seems good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and create this extraction. This will start an extraction process to extract that property from the 1700 images in this data set. And I'll come back once that extraction is completed.